Oh! He's dead. Hold on. 1 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 10. Ah!
Hey y'all, Grubandtherangerz here. Welcome back. Today we have another video coming at you from Watertown Airsoft League inside Watertown, New York. Today's video is going to be a game mode where we had 4 separate teams, 3 teams of 5 and 1 team of 4. One team defends and the other teams form a single team and attack. The defending team has unlimited medics and 0 respawns, and the attacking team has 0 medics and unlimited respawns. That attacking team has to eliminate every single member of the defending team or get inside the respawn box in the defending team's room. The defending team's objective is to hold off the enemy force for as long as possible. The team with the longest time wins at the end. So without further ado, y'all, let's get straight into the video.
Yep. Those are all ricochets, right? Okay. Behind us, behind us, behind us. Oh, hit! What? Yeah, medic. Okay, this didn't go as planned. This is not how I thought it was gonna go at all. Yeah. You need to move it, you're blind. Okay. You have to move that barrel. You gotta move the barrel because it's blocking. Oh, hit! That was not a gun hit. Okay. Oh, hit! Oh, now I see where I'm getting hit from.
That's not going to go off.
Oh! He's dead. Hold on. 1 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10. Ah!
Oh, Nick!
Hey, you hit?
Ow! Fuck you, ricochet!
Hook it left. Throw it.
Ah, fuck, grenade! Hey, grenade hasn't gone off yet. Yeah? Don't drop that.
Hold on. Bang, bang. We need someone on that back window, that back door again. Hold on. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Trail's on the opposite side. Okay. Good for him. What do you want it?
Just hook it left.
I don't think the grenades.
Weapon hit. Oh, I thought he shot that.
Oh, you got behind the blueberry again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, this guy on the right.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Get out.
Hold on.
Where are they? Hey, where are they?
That just hit your screen, man. Dude, that just hit your, oh my God, okay. If you don't get hit, you don't get hit, I guess.
Where is he? Hey.
He's in the middle right here. And I just shot him, and I'm kind of upset about that.
Well, I got a grenade ready to go. So tell me where.
Hold on.
You got anybody? Alright.
Just call your hit next time and I won't shoot you as much. I dumped that whole mag into him.
Thank y'all for tuning in to today's video. If y'all enjoyed, don't forget to smack that like button and subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon to be notified every time a video drops. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section down below if you have any suggestions or any questions that you'd like to get answered. Also, please don't forget to check out in the description. We have our links to C3 Airsoft as well as our Facebook page. Without further ado, y'all, you have a good one.